Hello there. I'm so glad you found your way here out of the rain. Come on in, shake off the cold, and find a spot. Welcome to Café Crochet. Think of this channel as your personal sanctuary, a warm, cozy corner of the internet where the coffee is always fresh, the yarn is always soft, and creativity creates the ultimate comfort. I'm your host and your new crochet friend. Whether you've had a long day at work or you're just looking for a quiet moment to yourself, you've come to the right place. So go ahead, grab your favorite mug, whether it's a dark roast coffee, a soothing herbal tea, or hot cocoa, and settle into your comfiest chair. We have plenty to talk about. You know, I've always believed that crochet is more than just a hobby. It's a form of storytelling. It's therapy. There is a special kind of magic that happens when you take a simple string of yarn and loop by loop turn it into something tangible, something real. Here at Café Crochet, we aren't just making things, we are crafting moments of mindfulness. If you are brand new to this world, holding a hook for the very first time, don't worry, I've got you. We'll take it slow. And if you're a seasoned pro with a stash of yarn that takes up an entire closet, well, you're home too. This channel is designed to be that break in your day where you can breathe. We'll explore easy-to-follow tutorials for beginners where no question is too simple, and we'll dive into advanced patterns that will challenge your skills in the best way possible. So, what exactly will we be creating together? Oh, just about everything. We'll turn skeins of yarn into heartfelt, handmade treasures. Imagine making adorable amigurumi animals that make the perfect gifts for little ones, or maybe for yourself. We'll stitch up stylish scarves to keep you warm, intricate doilies to decorate your home, and big, chunky blankets that feel like a hug. But it's not just about the final product, it's about the journey. We'll talk about choosing the best fibers, why wool feels different than cotton, and how to master those tricky stitches that seem impossible at first. And most importantly, we'll learn to embrace the imperfections, because just like a good handmade latte, it's the personal touch that makes it perfect. But you know what the best part of a cafe is? It's the people. It's the conversation. I don't want this to be just me talking to a camera. I want to build a real community here with you. I want to see what you are making. Expect regular Q&A sessions where we can chat about your struggles and victories. I'll be featuring your amazing creations in our community showcase because your stories inspire me every single day. And for those who want to pull their chair a little closer to the table, we have a special closed group for our paid subscribers. Think of it as our inner circle, a place for exclusive patterns, behind-the-scenes chats, and a deeper connection. So, if this sounds like your cup of tea or coffee, I would be honored if you stayed a while. Please hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications bell. That way, you'll never miss a video and we can keep our coffee dates regular. Let's slow down, take a breath, and create beautiful things together. Thanks for joining me at Café Crochet. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.